Imagine starting with absolutely nothing and turning that into $100,000 using only smart crypto investments. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can make that dream a reality. Whether you're starting with $0 or you're looking to grow your existing portfolio, I've got a step-by-step crypto investing plan that you won't want to miss. So stick around to the end because I'm about to reveal my roadmap to 6 figures. But before we dive in, here's a disclaimer. This isn't financial advice. The crypto market is unpredictable, and while the potential for profit is huge, so are the risks. Always do your own research. Step 1. Earning free crypto with no upfront investment. All right, before we even start talking about building a portfolio, let's tackle the big question: how can you get crypto if you're starting with absolutely $0? Believe it or not, it's totally possible to earn crypto for free, and this can be your launch pad into the market. One of the easiest ways to start is through crypto faucets. These are websites or apps that give away small amounts of cryptocurrency, usually in exchange for completing simple tasks like watching ads, playing games, or even solving CAPTCHAs. It won't make you rich overnight, but it's a solid way to get your hands on your first bits of Bitcoin or Ethereum without spending any money. Next up, look into airdrops. Airdrops are promotional campaigns where new crypto projects distribute free tokens to people, usually in exchange for completing easy tasks, like following them on social media or joining their communities. Some airdrops have been worth hundreds, even thousands of dollars, just for being in the right place at the right time. Another method is to earn crypto through platforms like Coinbase Earn or Binance Learn and Earn. These platforms let you watch short educational videos on cryptocurrency, and they pay you in tokens for completing quizzes at the end. It's a double win. You're getting free crypto and learning about the projects you're investing in. Finally, if you're willing to put in a little more effort, you can consider freelancing for crypto. Websites like Bitwage and Crypto Jobs List allow you to get paid in Bitcoin or other cryptos for your services. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, or even data entry, there's a way to earn crypto without spending a penny up front. So before you think that making money in crypto requires a huge starting investment, remember there are plenty of ways to start building your portfolio with no money down. This new step will give your audience actionable ways to start earning crypto from zero, perfectly aligning with the title and ensuring a smooth transition into the rest of your strategy. Let's go to the real work. Step 2. Building a base. With dollar cost averaging. Let's kick things off with Step 2, starting your journey with dollar cost averaging. This is by far one of the safest strategies in crypto, especially if you're starting with little or no money. The idea is simple. Instead of throwing all your funds into crypto at once, you invest small, consistent amounts over time. Let's say we're earning our first $10, $50, or even $100 a week with the previous step. Over time, that money adds up, and you avoid the stress of timing the market. Whether Bitcoin is at $50,000 or $20,000, you're buying into it steadily. Remember, the key to making it big in crypto isn't just in the peaks, it's in the patience. Trust me. This method is one of the most foolproof ways to grow your wealth without losing sleep over market crashes. Step 3. Focus on blue-chip cryptos. Step 3 is all about building a strong foundation. You can't get to 6 figures overnight without having a solid base, and that base should be in blue-chip cryptos, the top dogs of the crypto world like Bitcoin and Ethereum. I know what you're thinking, but Bitcoin's already huge. How can I make a fortune off it? Well, while Bitcoin may not 10x tomorrow, it's still one of the most secure ways to multiply your money. Ethereum, with its dominance in smart contracts and DeFi, is another must-have. You're not looking for quick flips here. You're looking for steady, reliable growth. With these two giants making up at least 50% of your portfolio, you'll have a solid foundation, as you expand. Starting small? No worries. With fractional investing, you can get in the game with even $10, and before you know it, your portfolio will start snowballing. Step 4. Adding high-growth altcoins. Now, for Step 4, the exciting part. Once you've got your base, it's time to add some high-growth altcoins. These are smaller, up-and-coming projects that have the potential to explode. Think about Solana, Polygon, or Avalanche. A lot of these projects solve real problems in the crypto world, and they have massive upside potential. For example, Solana is tackling blockchain scalability, while Polygon is all about making Ethereum more efficient. These are the kind of altcoins that could 10x or even 50x in value over the next few years. Allocate about 30% of your portfolio to promising altcoins, but don't go overboard. Research is key. Remember, in the world of altcoins, the higher the reward, the higher the risk. But with careful planning, the right projects can skyrocket our portfolio. Step 5. Risk tolerance and the 10x potential. Step 5 is knowing how much risk we can handle. If you want to go from $0 to $100,000, you'll need to take some calculated risks. We're talking about high-risk, high-reward tokens here. These are the super low-cap altcoins that could either moonshot or crash. A good rule of thumb is to allocate around 10% of our portfolio to these high-risk projects. But we're not going to throw our money at any random coin. We're going to make sure they have strong fundamentals, a clear use case, and an active development team. Think about coins like the Graph or VeChain. Both started small but had massive gains once the market caught on to their value. And here's the thing. Even if just one of these projects takes off, it could single-handedly push us toward that $100,000 goal. Step 6. Staking and earning passive income. Step 6 is one of my favorite strategies for building wealth, staking and earning passive income. Instead of letting our crypto just sit in our wallet, why not make it work for us? Platforms like Ethereum, 2.0, Cardano, and Polkadot allow us to stake our tokens and earn rewards. It's like earning interest on our savings, but the returns are way higher. Even stable coins like USDC offer staking opportunities with returns of 5% to 10% annually. By staking, we're adding another layer of growth to our portfolio without lifting a finger. Imagine waking up every day and earning money while we're asleep. That's the power of staking, and it can significantly accelerate our journey to $100,000. Step 7. Stay updated and reassess. Here's Step 7, and this one's critical. Stay updated. The crypto space moves fast, and what's hot today might not be tomorrow. We need to keep an eye on market trends, regulations, and technological advancements. Keep learning, watching videos, reading articles, and always be willing to reassess our strategy. Maybe a project we believed in is no longer performing, or a new game-changing technology emerges. Don't get too attached to any one coin or strategy. Be flexible, and we'll be better positioned to capitalize on the next big thing. Crypto is all about adaptation, and those who can pivot and evolve with the market will see their portfolios grow the fastest. Step 8. Taking profits on the way to $100,000. Step 8 is where most people get tripped up. Taking profits. We can't get to $100,000 if we don't lock in some of our gains along the way. Don't make the mistake of holding forever, hoping a coin will go to the moon. When we've made solid profits, whether it's a 2x, 5x, or 10x, consider taking out a portion of our gains. Use those profits to reinvest in other projects or hold them in stablecoins to protect our capital. The key is balance. We don't want to cash out too early, but we also don't want to be caught holding the bag when the market corrects. Smart investors take calculated profits, and that's what separates the winners from the losers in this game. That's it. Our step-by-step roadmap to turning $0 into $100,000 with crypto. From dollar-cost averaging to staking and picking the right altcoins, you now have all the tools to build a killer portfolio. But remember, the crypto world is volatile, and patience is key. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more strategies on making money with crypto. The journey to six figures is just beginning, and I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. See you in the next video.